In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a swim lane in Lucidchart. It's a relatively simple process, but incredibly useful for organizing and visualizing your workflows efficiently. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to head over to the Lucidchart website. If you haven't already, ensure you're logged in. Once you're all set up, you'll be directed to the home page, which serves as the central hub for creating or accessing any diagrams. This is where the magic happens. So go ahead and click on the New button. By doing this, you'll see a selection menu pop up on the screen, providing you with a variety of options for creating a new project. From this menu, your next move is to select Lucidchart. This will initiate the creation of a brand new diagram. Now, instead of starting from a blank slate, we're going to save some time and effort by creating from a template. It's super convenient. Click on Create from Template, and a search bar will appear, making it easier for you to find just what you need. In this case, type in Swimlane template into the search bar. This specific template will form the foundation of our swim lane diagram, presenting you with a structure that you can customize. Once you've identified the swim lane template, select it. The next step is to click on the Use button, which will open the template directly in the editor window. Now you've got your swim lane diagram ready to be molded into your vision. With the template in the editor, it's time to personalize your chart. A great starting point is to give your chart a descriptive name. Choose something that will enable you to easily identify it later, especially when you have multiple projects going on. With the name set, you're ready to further tailor the swim lane diagram to your needs. This might involve adjusting the lanes, rearranging elements, or even expanding sections to better fit the specifics of your project. When it comes to adding shapes, it's as simple as clicking and dragging them from the toolbar to their intended location on your swim lane chart. This is a key step for differentiating the various steps, roles, or phases of the process you're diagramming. Effective positioning of these shapes is crucial to ensure clarity and maintain a logical flow of information. Once your shapes are set, it's time to connect them, demonstrating the progression and interactions of your process. To achieve this, you'll select the line tool and draw it from one shape to another. It's vital to ensure your connections are straightforward and make sense within the context of your diagram, enhancing its efficacy as a communication tool. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll have successfully added a swim lane to your Lucidchart project, making it easier to delineate roles, visualize complex interactions, and enhance your workflow. Thank you for tuning in, and happy charting!